This is my good buddy Dreame X40 Ultra RoboVac. It is a robot vac and mop, and Dreame is by far one of my favorite RoboVac companies. They really do think of everything. And so in this video, I'm really going to hone in on some of the key features of what makes the X40 Ultra stand out from the competition. It has some very innovative technology, and I love the fact that it is one of the best at getting into those hard to reach spaces. You know what they are. You know where some of the downfalls of having a robot vacuum cleaner are, and it's those little nooks and crannies. Well, the X40 Ultra has solved that. I previously tested out the X30 and it had the mop swing technology. This one brings an even cooler reaching device. Well, I'll just let you watch it. Let's get into this video. Get the X40 Ultra unboxed here. This is the anti-tangle tri-cut brush. This is sold separately, but I highly recommend it because it really eliminates any hair tangling around the brush itself. I'll get more into this and show you this a little bit later, but getting this out of the box, packaged extremely well, beautiful packaging, something we've come to really expect from Dreame and their RoboVacs. But inside the box, you're gonna find very neatly packaged everything that you need, including the little ramp in front of the robot base station. And inside of this box, you're going to have additional accessories, including the mop pads, and the power cord is all gonna be in here. One of the cool features of this RoboVac is that it will actually detach the mop pads when it goes out to vacuum only. It does include the detergent for the mopping and this very cool multi-brush tool that also extends. Dreame is all about extending, as you'll see here in a little bit. The actual robot vacuum cleaner itself is going to be in this box here, and you can see this very, very similar to the X30, but I like this design. It functions really well. They have it very well protected, and the features of this robot vacuum are very extensive. I'm going to be highlighting the main features of this, one of them being the side reach and mop extend robo swing technology, the 7-in-1 base station, and this you can see here I'm putting in the tri-cut anti-tangle brush. You just simply take out the one that comes in the RoboVac and put in the upgraded anti-tangle tri-cut brush. Then back to the 7-in-1 base station. Here it is right here, all put together and ready to go. Just need to put that front little ramp on there. That just snaps right into place, easy peasy. But this base station actually uses hot water for mopping and washboard self-cleaning. It uses 158-degree hot water, and it has 12,000 pascals of suction, which is massive amounts of suction. One of the cool features about the X40 Ultra is the anti-tangle brush. And this brush is really cool because it actually has little tiny razor blades in it. And I've been vacuuming for a while with this thing, and there is absolutely no tangle. And you might be able to see, you might not be able to see, but down inside there, there's tiny little razor blades that cut up any dog fur, hair, anything that might get tangled, just cuts it right up, and the vacuum sucks it up. So pretty cool technology there with the anti-tangle feature where it cuts up any of the hairs or fur from your pets or your long-haired ladies or men for that matter. So definitely highly recommend the upgraded brush for the X40 Ultra. So there's a clean water and a dirty water tank, super easy to fill up the clean water, and it has high capacity in that 7-in-1 auto base station care system. The dirty water you can just take right out of here. I have run this through a few cycles already, so you can see nasty dirty water. And this is after I've done some other robot mops on the same floor. Yeah, the Dreame picked up even more debris. This is where you're going to find the cleaning detergent solution that you put in there. They do include that in the box, but it's nice that you can put your own detergent in there, and they have their own branded one. That RGB camera on the front really handles a lot of the science and thought and brain of the robot vacuum cleaner because it'll actually sense the dirt and analyze it. Here you can see the auto mopping base station. It actually cleans those mops, and you can set this to different frequencies, or you can use their Clean Genius management technology, which will analyze using that RGB camera all the dirt and soil and determine whether or not it needs to keep mopping and what needs to be further cleaned over and over until it is spotless. So those are some of the key features that I absolutely love about the X40. It does have versatile carpet cleaning strategies. It is meticulous. I just trust this thing and let it do its thing. But that side reach technology and the Mop Extend Robo Swing, look at that, man. It just gets right there into those corners, hard to reach places. Most robot vacuum cleaners are not going to clean out those corners, but I found that the X40 Ultra does an amazing job of reaching into little tight areas underneath cabinets, doorways, you name it, and it kicks that debris out, whether it is vacuuming or mopping. The technology built into this with the omnisensitive and obstacle avoidance systems is the best on the market, in my opinion. They really have nailed it when it comes to their mop technology. You just saw there the mops lifting up. It actually lifts up 10 millimeters to make sure that when it's going over the carpet, it does not get it wet. But then when it goes back to tile, wood, floors, you name it, those mops go back down. And look at this here. This will show you the power of that suction, that 12,000 pascals of suction. It actually picked up a battery. Yes, it picked up a battery with that powerful VorMax suction. Pretty impressive. Here's the base station. You can see that it left the mop pads there while it's out doing its vacuuming job. I did leave out some obstacles and I just put them randomly, and it handled the obstacles with a champ. No surprise here, but you can see that it maps it out. It gives you cute little pictures of the items and obstacles that it sends, so you can either verify or deny whether or not it was an obstacle, or maybe you identify something that you didn't even know was out there. You need to go out and pick it up for next time. But as far as vacuuming, that 12,000 pascals of suction really shined on the carpet and the hard floors because it just does a phenomenal job of picking up the dirt and the debris. Some additional things with that 7-in-1 base station: the automatic water and solution refilling. It handles all that for you. Using that camera and the AI technology built in, it knows exactly what to do. Now, there are some additional features that are not turned on by default and only run in the Clean Genius mode, but I highly recommend them because let the robot vacuum do what it was designed to do. Yes, you can try to manually control it and do all that stuff, but I just let it vacuum my studio while I'm working, editing the next video, working on other things. The Dreame X40 Ultra does the job for me. A few other things that I want to mention here is that it does learn your home with precision. The more you use it, the more it learns your house and the space that it's cleaning, because it creates 4 levels of detailed maps to really dial in exactly what areas it should or shouldn't clean, and uses that 3D adaptive obstacle avoidance system that's built in with the RGB camera, creating a 3D structure of your environment, which is really, really cool. So yes, while you can create custom zones and do manual control over it, I find that I just trust that Clean Genius management system to let it learn my space and then do the best job cleaning. You can check in on your robot from anywhere you are through the camera that's built in. And yes, there are more and more features that I could go on and on about, but I highly recommend that you check the links in the description of this video and get the X40 Ultra yourself. Read the other reviews about it. I highly recommend it, but I'm going to put a special link down there in the description of this video. I appreciate your support of my channel. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got a lot more cool tech that I'm going to be reviewing here, so I appreciate your support and using the links in the description of this video, as they are the least expensive on the market today, including the Black Friday sales that are going on right now.